Hey guys, it's Kinky Ruby Cheese here. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Starting a new segment. I'm starting a new segment called Blast from the Past. It's products that I used when I was relaxed or just starting after my big chop. Yeah, products that I used after my big chop when I still had like the small TWA, small TWA, and when I was relaxed. How they work for me then compared to how they work for me now. And the first product from this my segment is Koala. I don't know if you can see. Yep. Auntie Jackie's Coils and Coils Koala defining Coil Custard. It was like a tongue twister for me when it's still a tongue twister. Yeah, I started using this immediately after I big chopped my hair. I just saw it. I didn't get any reference. I just saw Koilala and I bought it because I wanted to do like wash and goes and stuff like that. Yeah, and it works well for me then. I don't know. Okay, looking at this is like it's kind of wet, still a little bit damp, but this is the result of Aunt Jackie's curl. And Jackie's Coils and Coils, Koala, defining Coil Custard. I can't even say it while I'm reading it. It's so weird. Yeah, and it really worked for me then. Like my hair, my curl pop. It's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum. When I first went natural and I started watching YouTube, and everybody like use sulfate free stuff and blah blah blah. So when I saw Koala defining Coil Custard and I saw sulfate free and paraben free, I did like a mineral oil and petroleum, no petroleum. I was like, have to have this. Anyway, so it said it's for natural coils, and waves, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. Say goodbye to frizz and unruly curls. I know you guys are like say goodbye to frizz and unruly curls, but look at I still have like frizz. I don't like say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls and lifeless curls. Define shape and control curls, waves, coils, and braid outs while adding moisture, shine, and natural conditioning. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is frizzy. It gave me I don't know if it gave me definition or this is just how my hair is, because how can something that used to work for me so well back then just be blah now? I'm not saying it didn't do like some sort of job. Let me turn my back so you can see. It did, but or maybe because I didn't section it then. No, it wasn't. I left my hair to air dry. It's been like an hour and a half now. Funny enough, it's kind of drying fast. I don't know why, but it's just an hour. Normally I'll still have like wet hair, like 90% still wet hair, but now it's just 40% wet. I'm going to put the video in so you guys can see how it looked when it was wet and how I applied it to my hair. I didn't really do much. I just applied and sponged. I kind of did what I did when I was still in the TW. I just wanted to see how it would look if I don't section and run my fingers through it. I just did the praying method. Yeah, I did the praying method and just sponged it in my hair, because that's what I used to do when my hair was a lot shorter than this. Even if my hair looks short right now, it's not that short. This is just shrinkage. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just comment down below if you want me to show you guys any other stuff that I do to my hair. I'm going to be talking about the stuff I'm bringing back from my old regimen to this my new regimen. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. Peace. I'm starting with freshly washed and finger detangled hair. Here I sectioned it into 4 and I'm done with one of the back sections. So I'm going to show you what I did and how I applied the Coil Custard to my hair. So I'm just going to take a little bit and kind of scrunch it into my hair. This is what I used to do when I still had my TWA. Can see I'm laughing because I know it isn't working, but I'm still going to give it a try. So I'm going to do the next part of my hair. You can see the difference between it, which isn't much, between my right and my left side. Can't tell the difference, but it's okay. And now I'm just applying it to my hair the way I did on the other side. So this is the final look. It didn't come out half as bad, but I know it's not going to work out well. I'm going to pin it to the other side and just style my hair into. It's not that bad. It really looks nice.